In the previous videos, you saw how to create a job and how to run a job through the Bodo platform. In this video, we don't want to go to the platform. I just want to run the job at the ease of my laptop to submit a job through Bodo platform completely programmatically using API keys and Bodo SDK. In this code, you see I create my client using the client ID and secret ID, which you saw in the previous video how to create them. These are basically serving as your API keys, and the rest are some SDKs or API functions that you call. So I have my query, the TPCH query, saved in a SQL file, which I'm reading in here. And then I'm going to submit my SQL job run for a job that I'm defining here, create job run at the cluster ID, which is my small cluster you saw in the previous video. The query text is the query text I'm reading from here in this file, and my catalog is a snowflake. The rest are just printing some logs. Here is another important API call, which is waiter.wait, which waits until the job is completed, and then the following lines just print the output for you. So let me go ahead and run this code. So it prints a query. Now let's take a look at the jobs. In jobs, I refresh this page. So it's running. It is in running mode. Previously to that was in pending, and in a few seconds it will finish. Now we see the job is succeeded.